Hey y'all, here I am replacing a parachute bag that was frayed and the ink was pretty rough on it. So basically there was 4 button head screws that held that bag on. I had to detach the CO2 line to get the whole thing out and then put the new bag on, replace the 4 button head screws, and we were back in business. So just check over your items, make sure that you don't have anything fraying, anything like that. You don't want to have any kind of issues at the track. So it's always a good idea to check over your stuff on the off season and on your downtime. If you need anything, we are dealers for all major race car shop parts. So just give us a like and subscribe. You can call us at the shop anytime, 717-465-5400.